This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings and go to Display and Brightness. Move the brightness slider up to stop immediate dimming while we fix sources. Once done, check Battery Right Arrow Low Power Mode because that feature lowers display intensity to save charge. Also, if your phone runs iOS 13 or later, Auto Brightness moved, so go to Accessibility Right Arrow Display and Text Size and find Auto Brightness. Disabling it prevents automatic dimming tied to ambient light. Next, dig into Advanced Controls. Open Display and Brightness and turn off any night shift schedule that shifts color and can appear dimmer. Then go to Accessibility Right Arrow Display and Text Size and disable Reduce White Point and True Tone, which alter brightness and warmth automatically. Make sure to check Face ID settings. Attention-aware features can dim the display when you're not looking, so disable it if unwanted. These steps remove software-triggered changes that make the screen seem to dim randomly. Finally, restart your iPhone so the new display settings take effect. A reboot often stops lingering behaviors. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS, and if problems persist, use settings Right Arrow General Right Arrow Transfer or Reset Right Arrow Reset All settings to rule out misconfigurations. This won't erase data. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the top edge ambient light sensor and remove thick screen protectors or tinted cases because physical blockage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.